Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We have an emergency and we need to attend to this particular market structure as soon as possible. So first of all, I'm just going to break down what is going to happen to BTC in the next 24 to 48 hours. Remember, I am a crypto trader. I trade cryptocurrencies. I'm a scalper. I use short time frames. So this is one of the reasons why I am giving you this quick update, because some data has been brewing and we have some new data points that we can use to sort of maximize our profits. By the way, this is not financial advice. Whatever you do, please do your own due diligence, because investing in cryptocurrencies is extremely risky. So as you can see, right, the price of Bitcoin is back to 39,950. We are back below 40,000 US dollars, and the altcoins are slightly decreasing in value as well, because they are following what BTC is doing. But overall, we had obviously like a very good decent sort of price push as far as BTC is concerned for the past few days, especially from the 8th of June. So basically we have been in this particular uptrend. So if you guys have been consistent subscribers to my YouTube channel, right, you guys already know that I am trading this particular range like this. This is what I am trading. There are basically two sections of this particular trend, or rather range, and we've got the bottom part like that. So let me just differentiate those the colors. Yeah, let me just slightly change the coloring so that you can see. Okay, so we've got this lower part, right? And if we really had to be like very careful, we can also include this tiny little bit of part here, because this is where the body wicks dropped to. So let me also put that as a lighter version. So let me do that. Okay, so we've got three sections of this particular range. Okay, so this is a corrective structure. Okay, this could either be accumulation or redistribution. Okay, if it's going to be accumulation, right, then we're obviously going to end up pumping towards the upside. If it's going to be redistribution, right, then we're going to sort of trend and then decide and sort of drop to the bottom. Okay, so that's the most basic thing that you have to understand about this particular structure. And yes, we are using the Wyckoff methodology. So if you guys have been part of my YouTube channel, right, a few days ago I told you that I'm going to be looking for the swing failure pattern in order for me to like sort of close my trade and just pretty much look forward to getting into USD Tether. So what I did for the past few hours, because we recently got this trading action, and this happened 4 hours ago, this new trading data, and it is very important, because these types of data points allow us to sort of make new trading decisions. So if we flip over to the 4 hourly, right, okay, now that you guys understand my structures, right, let me just delete them so that you can clearly see what I am talking about, right? So if we had to consider this particular area, why am I losing everything? Okay, so if we had to consider this particular resistance level, right, let's just put it there. Okay, if that was our resistance level, and recently we had this particular structure, okay, where we had this particular area, and today we ended up pumping, breaking this particular resistance, but the close, the 4 hourly close is below, even though we sort of broke the resistance here. We didn't close above it. If we closed above it, we would have had like a closing candle which is above this particular resistance, and that was going to form like a bullish narrative. So just to reiterate what I told you guys, right, ultimately this move is going to go to sort of this particular level 45 all the way up to around 45 to around 50k. Okay, so what's going to happen right now is we're going to have like some pullback. It's not going to be a correction, or it's not going to be a major dump, because a lot of you guys are expecting it to go to 24,000. Wrong again. Okay, so what's going to happen is we're most likely going to come back to this level. okay, because this level was acting as resistance. So we are going to come back and test this particular level. So anything between 37,000 US dollars to 34,000 US dollars, but to be precise, 37,000 to 35,000, that is going to be our new support. Okay, when that happens, we're going to sort of range and then eventually break out and go back to this particular liquidity level. Okay, this is the game plan. This right over here is the game plan. The reason why I'm making this urgent update for you guys is I want to sort of show you the significance of these trading candles right over here. These swing failure patterns. Okay, so if you guys don't really know anything about a swing failure pattern, right, I really want you to go and research, because this is very important. And in this particular episode, yeah, let me just try to refresh that again. Yeah, I think I should have addressed it a few days ago. It should have been on this particular episode here, trading BTC. About 5 days ago, I did talk about this, okay? And it is happening just like I expected it, okay? I was waiting for a swing failure pattern, and we recently got it. That was like literally 3 hours ago. If you guys are part of my private trading group, right, you wouldn't have missed this. You would have been alerted as soon as possible. If you guys are interested in my private exclusive members signals group, where I give you buy and sell signals, right, the email is going to be in the description box below. Just send me an email, tell me you're interested in this paid group, and then we're going to like sort of you know, help you out, and we're going to put you in the right path to making better trades. So why am I so sure that what I'm talking about is going to happen? It's pretty simple. Mathematics and experience plus data points. Okay, remember we did get to purchase BTC close to 31,000, and we rode the pump, and right now we are at the top of the range. When we are ranging, trade the range until it breaks. So right now, all you need to do is you need to figure out how to take advantage of this volatility within this particular structure. Okay, now that we have tested the liquidity here, now that a lot of people's stop losses, I mean the people who were shorting, now that their trades have been stopped out, right? Now everybody's confused. A lot of you are confused, like, what are we supposed to be doing? Should I be longing? Should I be pumping? Because trust me, a lot of people started longing BTC above 40,000 US dollars when they should have been longing around 31,000. You know, because you guys are always doing the opposite. And right now, the price is going to slightly decrease, and these guys are going to be like, oh shit, I just longed BTC at 40,000 because I thought it was going to go to 60,000. Now again, it's dumping. Again, you're just going to sort of repeat this cycle until you no longer have enough money in your portfolio. You rinse and you repeat until you're back to zero. So what am I going to do? The game plan is simple. I closed my positions in BTC and in altcoins. So right now, as we speak, I'm actually in USD Tether, because I have been preparing my outs from here, from the bottom. I bought here and I've been selling back and forth until we came to the exhaustion and to the end point of this particular trading range. That, ladies and gentlemen, is how you trade like a pro. Okay, so anyway, so getting to talk about the support that we're going to receive, right? This is the area that I'm looking forward to. As you know, sort of testing the support. This particular area, pretty simple, pretty easy, pretty basic. Okay, because this is where we have these doji candles, and this is where we have the visible range, and we have like a lot of volume nodes right over here. So there's like a lot of liquidity. And you guys already know me, okay? I look for liquidity vacuum areas and liquidity suction points, okay? This is a liquidity suction point, and it's going to play a significant role. And this is one of the reasons why we sort of retraced while, or rather when we reached this particular area. We had to go back down and then we broke out of it. Okay, so now we're going to come back down to this particular area between 37,000 to 35,000, give or take. We might drop to 34,000, it depends, but the best ranges are going to be between 35,000 and 37,000 BTC. And then once that particular support has been established, right, I'm going to get in. It's going to bounce and then have a retest. Then when we get that retest, right, when we sort of signify and really find concrete support, then it's going to continue pumping and break out. Okay, so at this particular area, this is when I'm going to get back into altcoins, because remember, we did get to trade a lot of altcoins, and you know, during this time we were scaling into altcoins. And remember what I told you about dollar cost averaging, right? DCA is the name of the game. So if you guys have got like let entries as far as these altcoins are concerned, right, no problem. If you did dollar cost average, you can just add like a little bit of position here once we get to find the support. And you know, I'm going to keep you updated as soon as it's going to happen. So this is the trading blueprint that I am giving you. So just, you know, do what you have to do. Test it out, come back in the next 24 to 48 hours, see whether whatever I talked about came to fruition, and then judge for yourself. If you are going to be impressed by then you can be part of my exclusive trading group where I give buy and sell signals for a whole lot of different cryptocurrencies. So, you know, I always believe in giving people a heads up, because I really trust in my skills. My skills are very impeccable. And this is one of the reasons I'm telling you, hey, we're going to drop. You know, we bought here and we sold there, and we're waiting to rebuy at this particular level. That's a blueprint. 24 to 48 hours is going to play out. Maximum is 72 hours from now. So yeah, let's see what's going to happen in the next 24 to 72 hours, and then we're going to sort of keep you guys updated. So it's been your boy Muna, aka Beyond 10x. Looking forward to like hearing from you guys, and I really hope that, you know, you're learning. And in case you've got any coin suggestions for me, please drop everything in the comment section below. How do you want me to improve? What don't you like about me? And how can I be like a better presenter, a better teacher, and just overall be of use to you? So drop everything in the comment section below. Talk to you a little bit later. Bye.